Hey, it's Abby with Boulevard Home. In today's society, we can control everything from our phones using Wi-Fi. You can control your house lights, you can lock the doors, you can control your grill. So why shouldn't your appliances be any different? Today, we're going to be talking about Wi-Fi enabled appliances and what features they have. To use any Wi-Fi enabled appliance, you just have to download the app from the accompanying manufacturer. First, we're going to be talking about refrigerators. There are some features that some have, some don't have, but these are the basic features. So most Wi-Fi fridges, it will alert you when your door is open for too long. So this is really nice if you have kids that are opening the doors a lot and kind of forgetting to close them. It'll alert you when your door's open so you can go and close it. Another feature that they have is you can change the temperature of your fridge from your phone. Another feature that fridges with screens have is you can write down your grocery list and then it will sync to your phone. So when you're at the grocery store and you forgot your grocery list, you can just look on your phone and your fridge will tell you everything you need. A rare but really nice feature to have is interior cameras. So some fridges have cameras inside of the fridge. So if you don't have your shopping list, you've forgotten it, you can just look on your phone. It'll show you inside of your fridge so you can see what's inside, what you're missing, and what you need. The next Wi-Fi enabled appliance that we'll be talking about is ovens. So some of the main features that Wi-Fi enabled ovens have is you can set timers, you can get alerts when the timer is done, you can turn the light on and off, and you can turn your oven off from your phone. I think the most beneficial is being able to preheat your oven from anywhere. Some Wi-Fi ovens have temperature probes, so it will alert you when your food in the oven has reached a certain temperature. So say you're cooking like a turkey or something, it will tell you when your turkey has reached the optimal temperature. The next smart appliance we'll be talking about is washers and dryers. So with smart washers and dryers, from your phone, you can start and stop cycles and you can get alerts when the wash cycle or dry cycle is done. Two of my favorite features is they can self-diagnose problems. So if there's an issue with one of the parts, it will send an alert to your phone saying that you might want to look into that. The other cool feature is it will give you alerts when it is time to do a self-wash cycle or to clean out the lint drawer. If your lint catcher doesn't get cleaned out often enough, it can potentially start fires. And having your lint catcher cleaned out is better for your clothes to dry faster. The final Wi-Fi appliance we'll be talking about is dishwashers. So with dishwashers, you can start and stop cycles, you can monitor the cycle status, and you can schedule washes. The reason you'd want to schedule washes is so that the water doesn't interfere with your other water uses. So like if you're going to take a shower or wash your clothes, you don't want to be using all the water at once. So you can schedule when you want to start and stop your washes. All these features are really cool and modern, but they're mostly for convenience. So if you don't need to change the temperature of your fridge from your phone, then it might not be a great fit for you. And keep in mind that all Wi-Fi appliances are priced higher than regular appliances, and we recommend buying things that are in your budget and fit your needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below what feature you think is most beneficial.